Hello everyone, welcome to Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi magnifica XS espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was not, no water was coming out from here, and it was just pretty much, it just needed a tune-up. We just pretty much replaced the infuser, which is this one over here, and as you can see, it's a little bit dirty. We will replace it with a newer one, and we descaled the machine, give it a clean inside, replace the O-rings, clean the shower heads and on the mechanical valve, and now the machine is working perfectly fine. So starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I got beans in there. Yeah, I do. Infusion right there, and here comes the coffee. As you can see, it's pretty watery. It doesn't have a lot of crema or anything, but that's because it's on the coarse setting right now. So in order to get more crema, more flavor added, you need to adjust that knob and make at least 3 shots of espresso on this machine whenever you adjust the grinder, just to give it the machine time to actually get the correct portions and everything. Otherwise you're gonna have coffee like this. So, and now for the water. As well as the steamer. Working perfectly fine. And just to, because I didn't like this shot, let's do another one, adjusting the grinder just a little bit, and just to see the difference pretty much. Like I said, you have to do at least 3 shots of espresso to actually see the correct grind settings, but you can see it has more crema, it has a little bit more color on it than the previous one, and that's because we just changed the grinder. It's still on the older setting, but you can pretty much see a little improvement in there. Let's put some more coffee in the machine. The third one should be pretty good. Looking better, having more crema and having way better color than the previous one. And this is just the second one, so the third one should be just the way the coffee comes out. It should come out from now on, because it should be already calibrated. So let's just do the last one. Definitely still needs to be a little bit more finer. Right now it's at the middle setting. No, not exactly the middle setting, as you can pretty much see. It's at the middle. It needs to be a little bit more finer and it should be perfect. But right now you can see a huge improvement from the previous one. Okay, thank you for preparing with Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.